guys, this is Özgür from Ayvalık Sailing Academy. I am the instructor of the club. We are here in Ayvalık waters and we are doing adult sailing instruction in Ayvalık. Ayvalık is very near to Izmir, so you can easily fly to Izmir, or also you can easily fly to Mytilene Island, which is in Greece, and then with a ferry you can come here very easily. In these waters we are giving adult sailing courses in the summertime, also in the autumn time, also in the springtime. We have a Elan 21 performance boat, which is a day sailor. So our courses are around with 4 people. With the instructor we are around 5. So in this water Ayvalık course is the inner sea, but we have always wind here, which is between 12 knots to 25-30 knots. And we have really great time with our sailors here in this area. So we are waiting you to Ayvalık and to Ayvalık Sailing Club.